Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'll show you how to play Archero 2 with friends, or, well, the closest thing to it. So, here's the thing. Right now, Archero 2 doesn't actually have a proper multiplayer mode. You can't directly jump into a match with your friends. But don't worry, there's still a workaround. Archero 2 has something called guilds, and that's, the closest way to play with friends. To set this up, just tap on the guild option, hit create new guild, and then invite your friends to join. Once they're in, you guys can complete guild missions together. Quick note though, you'll need to finish chapter 5 before guilds unlock. That means you have to reach chapter 6 to start inviting friends. Inside guilds, you can work on missions, share rewards, and kind of progress as a team, but it's not real-time multiplayer, okay? And that's pretty much it. No full multiplayer yet, but guilds make playing with friends way more fun. If this helped, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and check out my next guide.